Accunet Solutions, meeting the challenges of big data. A growing tsunami of data is changing the way organizations function, driving new sources of revenue, new ways of engaging customers, and new insights. But legacy technologies simply cannot keep pace with the pressure to aggregate, store, secure, and leverage big data efficiently, accurately, and cost-effectively. To take better control of your big data assets, look to the experts in big data, Accunet Solutions. Accunet's highly trained team of industry veterans have broad experience in the complexities of big data and a track record in heavy data organizations like life sciences, pharmaceuticals, financial, media, and government. And Accunet Solutions offers the very best mix of the very best technologies to help you make informed, strategic decisions that meet your needs now and in the future. Why Accunet? Because we take the time to understand each client's unique big data challenges, and Accunet's skilled engineers and project managers guide your project from beginning to end. With a holistic view of our customers' challenges and hand-picked solutions from the world's top technology suppliers, Accunet delivers innovative, reliable, and scalable solutions. For 15 years, Accunet Solutions has invested heavily in systems, technology, and a deeply experienced staff. Enthusiastic customers and an extraordinary client retention rate have fueled a history of uninterrupted growth. For the 5th consecutive year, EMC Isilon has named Accunet as the Worldwide Partner of the Year, and Accunet was the first partner worldwide to achieve 100% Isilon Specialty certification. Accunet Solutions has the expertise to assess, design, and deploy robust solutions that improve performance and deliver cost savings for your big data challenges. Let Accunet put our expertise to work for you. Accunet Solutions, at your service right now.